Here's how to use the Dermazen Scalp Relief System. Apply the serum generously to your whole scalp. Massage in gently. If it doesn't fit easily into your nighttime routine, just make sure to let the serum absorb for at least 2 hours before washing your hair. If you feel a slight stinging initially, that is totally normal. Some of the natural ingredients like sea salt can actually sting before they soothe. If the feeling is too intense, dilute the serum by 50% with distilled water. First, wet your hair thoroughly. Then apply a generous amount of shampoo to your scalp. For short, fine hair, we suggest roughly a dime or nickel-sized amount. For medium hair, a quarter-sized amount. And for longer, thicker hair, we suggest an amount roughly the size of a silver dollar. Gently massage the scalp therapy shampoo into your scalp for roughly 1 minute. For additional exfoliation, use a scalp scrubber to clear any excess flakes. Let the shampoo sit for at least 2 minutes. Use that time to think happy thoughts of a clear scalp. Rinse the shampoo and repeat the process if you're struggling with severe flaking. Follow these steps every day for a flake-free scalp. If you have any questions about caring for your skin, send us a message at support@dermazen.com. We're ready to help.